Saina, congratulations on being confirmed the Padma Bhushan. First up, did it come as a surprise to you, or is it something you were expecting?
It really surprised me actually. This year it's been great, reaching world number one, achieving so much. But I was still not expecting it because last year some things happened which I actually don't want to think about it much. But this year my main aim was to just perform well, do well, and keep doing well for my country. So I was just in that zone of performing and getting the results for my country, and I just didn't think about this award particularly. But it's like a surprise to me today. I get to know that I got the award, and I would like to thank the ministry for giving me the Padma Bhushan award. It's such a big honor. I'm very, very proud and very happy.
Well, it's a moment of pride, no doubt, Saina, but you played that last tournament in 2015, the Masters in Dubai, with an injury. It was pretty evident that you weren't fully fit and you didn't play too many matches in the Premier Badminton League either. How are you doing now? If you could just tell us how fit you're feeling at this point.
I'm improving. I'm doing pretty well, and I hope to get back in shape soon. Yes, I was suffering from some injuries. I had some pain in my Achilles, but I am recovering well. I am trying to improve my strength, and hopefully I will get back into the shape soon.
Right, still the first month of the year, and you haven't played much obviously yet this year, and I believe you're not going to be in action at the Syed Modi Grand Prix Gold in Lucknow, where you were the defending champion because you're recovering. But is that how it's going to be till the Olympics in August, picking and choosing tournaments according to how fit you're feeling?
Yes, definitely. I will look at my tournaments. I will see where I'm fit, and then only I'm going to play. I'm not going to just hurry up and play tournaments. So, basically, I just want to be in shape and get ready for the tournaments I play, and I want to make sure whenever I play tournaments, I give my best.
Okay, Saina, going back to that tournament in Dubai that you played at the end of 2015, that was one tournament where you physically looked very different, much more muscular and stronger than we've ever seen you. Though you had an injury and you weren't able to move very well, but the change was very visible. Just tell us a little bit about that.
I've been training for quite some while with Declan. He is my new trainer, and we have been, as I said, I've been going through a few injuries, so I wanted to increase my strength in few of the areas. So that's what we did. We just want to increase the strength of the body, and I think that's what really helped. And I looked a little different in the tournament, but yes, I was going through the severe pain in my Achilles, so couldn't perform that well. But physically, yes, I have become more stronger. Yeah.
Okay, this of course is the year of the Olympics. In 2008, Saina, you started your Olympic journey as a teenager. You went to Beijing, made it till the quarterfinals. 4 years later, you won a bronze in London. And now in 2016, you are going to go to Rio, having been the world's #1 player. Just take us a little bit through your Olympic journey and why it is always such an important and a special tournament for you.
It's been a great journey actually. The first time when I played Olympics, I never went with any expectation, but still did really well. In fact, just missed a medal by leading so much in the quarterfinals. But I think it was my first Olympics, so I didn't have that experience of pulling out such big matches. But I was so happy that I could reach quarterfinals in the first Olympics in 2008. But the next time I went there, I was much more prepared. I was able to beat quite a few top players, and I was at the top, winning tournaments consistently. So, of course, I had that confidence that, of course, I can win a medal in the Olympics, and very, very happy that I could get bronze medal in Olympics in 2012. So, it's all because of the experience. Definitely, once you start winning and performing well, you get the experience and you do well. So, it does help. But Olympics is always a very big tournament to perform in. It adds up a lot of pressure and expectations. But I just hope I stay in shape and I work hard, and I'm sure I will come out with good results. Yeah.
It's a big pressure tournament, no doubt. Saina, finally, if you had to describe your quest for Olympic glory this time around in one word, what would that be?
I would say right now, just to work hard and just to believe in myself that I can do well. That's it. because there's so much of time and there's so many tournaments before that to really look forward to. And I just hope I do well in every tournament, and and then rest I can tell you more about it in August. Yeah.